Did you know Michael J. Fox nearly didn't play Marty McFly in the cult classic Back to the Future?
Oh, this is heavy.
When writer and director Bob Gale and Robert Zemeckis first came up with the idea for Back to the Future, the first person who popped into their minds to play Marty McFly was Michael J. Fox. Michael was a rising star and fast becoming a household name, largely due to his ongoing performance on the hit sitcom Family Ties. But due to him being contracted on Family Ties, when the two Bobs reached out to his manager, they were told he was far too busy to shoot a movie at the same time that he was filming a sitcom each week. So the Bobs were forced to put out a casting call to fill the role of Marty McFly. As you can imagine, every man and his dog auditioned for the part, including a very young Ben Stiller.
Lorraine, lately I've come to the conclusion that I don't know anything about my parents.
Great Scott!
After sifting through the auditions, they finally landed on a decision hiring Eric Stoltz and started filming shortly after. It became very apparent though that Eric didn't seem to understand that Back to the Future was actually a comedy, and almost all his performances made it feel like Marty was going through this terrifying experience that just didn't sit well with the viewers. The Bobs again revisited the idea of Michael playing Marty, and after calling in some pretty big favors, were able to get in front of him and his agent with the script to offer him the part. An agreement was struck that as long as Family Ties came first, Michael would be allowed to film both Family Ties and Back to the Future at the same time, seeing as filming schedules clashed. Michael accepted the part on the spot. Michael then spent his time filming Family Ties during the day, then hopping in a car and being driven to the set of Back to the Future, where he would spend several hours filming any scene that didn't require daylight.
Great Scott! I know, this is heavy.
One can only imagine how exhausted he was during this time, and how he managed to deliver such a fantastic performance in the role of a lifetime, which ultimately contributed to a movie that made over $388 million at the box office.
Great Scott!
If you didn't know this, be sure to leave a like and consider subscribing to find out more things you didn't know.